when we come through this corner, pick up the pace a little bit. Through here, so you get a sense of, a little bit more. Get the sense of the car going. Yeah, exactly. See? Get the how the car is flat through the corners. A little bit of braking here. Good. Now we have a lane change coming up here, so accelerate and then lane change, okay? Just throw the car through it. Throw it. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep going.
Don't give gas off.
Yeah.
Don't give brakes.
Don't give brakes. A little brake here to turn in. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Keep going. Let's go. Go. Go brake. Go after the stop sign. Panic brake.